Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to learn how to prepare kebabs. So I have my minced meat here ready. Remember I showed you how to make minced meat if you don't have a mincer. Then I'll use some boiled potatoes or waru. Then there is onions. I prefer this type of onion. And then I will use coriander leaves or dania. Then there is bread, 2 slices. I used brown bread. There is ground ginger. There is lemon, which I'll grind. I will grind its cover. Then 2 eggs. So I'll start. I will add these ingredients. All of them. My boiled waru also. Then I had soaked the bread in water, so I'll add it here also. Then after washing the lemon, I will grate. So I'm mixing the ingredients. Then I will also add a teaspoon of salt so that I mix them. So as you can see, I'm slowly incorporating. You can decide to mash the waru before you add it here, the potato, or as you mix, you mash. Decided to use a mashing stick. Then after everything has incorporated, you add 1 beaten egg. So the egg helps in gluing them or making them to hold tight together. So you can also add, for those who don't like or who don't eat eggs, you can use about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. So if you see some unmashed potatoes like this, you just place them using your finger. So this is what I've prepared, and like this, you press like this. So this is what I'm now going to use to make the kebab rolls. After making the base, you realize it is a bit lighter. So what I usually do, I usually add a bit of flour so that I reduce the lightness and make it a bit thick. So you can decide to make the kebab roll to be a bit longer or short as you wish, and you press them. So I start by making something like this, then you roll it. Place slowly. Then I take another chunk. I make a ball like this. Then you place it. Then you place it. So I've prepared the kebab rolls. I place them in a fridge for 1 hour. But if you don't have a fridge, you can always put cold water in a basin like this. Put them on your plate. Then place them there for about 30 minutes. You place another plate on top with some water. So this will help them to freeze so that you'll be able to paste with the egg on top and cook them. And if you don't want to put in cold water, if you're cooking when there's a lot of, when it is not rain, it is sunny, you can just allow them to dry for about 30 minutes. So let's place them. We'll be back to paste them and cook them. So we have freezed them, and the aim of freezing was to make them integrate together so that you can be able to lift them. I've placed my bread to dry on the pan so that I crush it, to make bread crumbs. So this is how I'm mashing the bread crumbs into small fine flour-like, so that I'll use it to coat on the kebab roll. So this is how they look after you have freezed them. I will dip them in the egg paste, and here you turn slowly. Then after that, these are the breadcrumbs. I like them drying to brown color. Then you pick slowly, you roll them over the breadcrumb, and ensure the breadcrumb has spread on it very well. Then I place some breadcrumbs on this plate so that when you place, it doesn't stick or become difficult to lift when placing them to heat. Again, you take another one, you roll. So placing it in the fridge was to help it to hold this tight. So as you can hear, the oil has already boiled and is ready for use. So that's how. So you pick and you place. You pick and you place slowly. And then you pick again. Place. You pick and you place. So you turn on the other side. Then you turn until they get that browny color. And you turn. They let them cook until they turn into that brown color. So as you can see, they are turning. So you wait until they are brown enough. So after preparing kebab, you will always remain with this. And this is what I'm doing. I just add the remaining breadcrumbs to the remaining egg, then mix them like that. Like this. So this is the remaining breadcrumb and the egg paste after preparing the kebab. Then I will separate into some. You can make anything like that. Then after I've prepared the kebab, this is what I will take this and dip in flour. So we'll say we have made the breadcrumb, fried breadcrumbs, and you thank yourself. Our kebabs are ready, as you can see. So this is how it looks inside and on the outside. Hope the recipe will work out for you too. So after the remaining egg and breadcrumbs, I made some, let's call them some breadcrumbs coating. I don't know which name I'll give it, but we can say some breadcrumb drop cones, some breadcrumbs drop, whichever. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and tell a friend to tell a friend. God bless you for watching.